welcome back to our channel. Meet your new go-to countertop companion, the Airfry Chef 1700 Black, a sleek, all-in-one hot air fryer and mini oven from Casso Design. With a generous 22-liter capacity, 1,700 watts of power, and an impressive suite of cooking modes, it's built to make everything from crispy fries to gourmet roast easy, efficient, and healthier. Huge 22L interior volume, you get big cooking space 22 liters, perfect for feeding the family or batch cooking meals. 6 robust stainless steel elements, 4 top, 2 bottom deliver fast, even, and consistent heating. 12 automatic programs, say goodbye to guesswork, choose from 12 presets like airfry, bake, grill, dehydrate, pizza, toast, and more for consistently tasty results. Even Power Convection and Rapid Heat Control. With Even Power Convection, hot air circulates evenly for uniform cooking, and Rapid Heat Control means you're cooking right away, no preheat wait. Fine-tuned temperature and timer controls. You can precisely set temperature from 40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius in 5 degrees Celsius steps, and a timer from 1 to 120 minutes, up to 240 for dehydrating, all in intuitive increments. Built-in light and viewing window. Watch your food cook without opening the door thanks to the clear viewing window and interior lighting. After cooking, just slide out the crumb tray and cleanup is incredibly simple. Multiple accessories and tiered cooking. It comes with 3 rack levels plus a rotating spit, large frying basket, baking tray, grill rack, drum, and even removal helpers for confident handling. The Airfry Chef 1700 Black handles nearly anything from crispy, low-fat fries to roasted dinners effortlessly. Its smart presets, roomy interior, sleek look, and powerful performance make it a standout in any kitchen. If you're looking to simplify cooking and amplify flavor, this might just be the only countertop oven you'll ever need. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.